Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Once in a blue moon, I like to enhance my coffee with some creamer that I made from scratch. I've already posted a few amazing recipes such as French vanilla, pumpkin, and butterscotch. Now, here's another one. Gingerbread Coffee Creamer. Loaded with flavor, this condiment is incredibly delicious and perfect for your daily cup of joe. Plus, there's no food additives. Bonus! So let's get cooking. In a saucepan over medium heat, we'll add a can of sweetened condensed milk, which, by the way, we see 300 ml or 10 ounces on any Canadian can, while in America, they are 14 ounces. Actually, both have the same amount in a can, which is 1¼ cups. So keep the same measurements for the other ingredients. Then we'll pour in half and half, followed by molasses, and click on the top right corner of your screen to get a great trick when handling sticky ingredients. Now, here comes the spices. Ground ginger, some ground cinnamon, a little bit of ground cloves, and the same with nutmeg and allspice. By the way, my spice grinder decided to quit on me while I was filming this recipe. Like they say, the show must go on. But when grinding the spices before adding them to the pot, not only will they blend better into the mixture, but the appearance at the end will be a bit nicer. Anyway, so we'll give a good whisk and heat the mixture to just before it starts simmering. We're just warming it up, that's all. We still see the spices in the mixture, which is okay, but by grinding them beforehand, we'll barely notice them. So, we'll remove from the heat, let it cool before transferring to a container, and then chill until ready to serve. Whether the spices have been ground or not, we'll have to shake the creamer each time before serving. And my friends, this is our Gingerbread Coffee Creamer. This tasty condiment adds a touch of holiday flair to your coffee. It's a quick and easy recipe to make. There's no preservatives. Plus, it's perfect for the festive season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!